Hi friends, I'm making best mom in the world tea. No, I'm just kidding. It does say best mom and a friend gave it to me as a present, but this is from the Republic of Tea and it is their Passionfruit Papaya black tea. I really like this tea. It makes a great iced tea as well as hot tea. And it was a limited edition sold at Papyrus, but then I looked up the Republic of Tea's website and they do have this flavor. It's just a really lovely passion fruit flavor and scent, and it reminds me of this passion fruit tea that my mom used to get at Wolfgang Pup restaurant. So that's what I'm drinking today.
Been a long time without you.
Now guess what I have, friends? Ta-da! Lady Gaga Oreos. I saw someone post this on Instagram stories and I just had to get some. Apparently it tastes like the circus animal cookies with the pink and white yogurt and sprinkles, which I loved as a kid, and I don't think my mom ever bought us those. I think it was always like the best day ever whenever someone would have these as snacks. So look at that. They're pink and green. Ta-da! Oh, and look how cute they are. They have a heart on them. I think smells like an Oreo. It doesn't smell chocolatey. I mean, it just smells like sugar, really. Okay, how do you eat an Oreo? Do you eat it and take a bite like a sandwich? Or do you twist it? I like to twist it. Do you remember playing this game as kids where you twist it and if you got, ta-da, all the cream or most of the cream, you won? Except I don't remember what we won. What did we win? Just being cool? Did we get a wish or something like that? I don't know. So let's see. I think the tea can steep a little bit longer. But it smells good. It smells like Hawaii. This tea makes me happy because it smells like Hawaii. I like to lick all the cream off first. I mean, the cream just tastes like cream but green. Doesn't taste any different to me. Do you know Oreos are vegan? I think that my cousins who are now vegan, they told me that they can eat Oreos and I was surprised. Okay, this tea should be ready now and then I'm gonna dunk the cookies. I like to use egg cup holders to hold my tea bags. You want some? He always whines right when I'm ready to pour the tea. Okay. Yummy, yummy, yummy. It's so refreshing. And I should have dunked that longer. No, it just tastes like a vanilla Oreo cookie, but probably with some coloring dye or something. It doesn't taste any different to me. It says pink colored golden cookie with green cream. So that's it. Maybe it tastes like an animal cookie if I eat it like this. No, still tastes like a golden Oreo with cream. You want to try some? You can't have no sugar till you're 2. But we're gonna give him a taste of Nutella for his first birthday. Still a really fun snack though. I appreciate these Lady Gaga Oreos. I don't know what they were made for. It says this is a cookie inspired by... I can't even read that. Chromatica? Someone's gonna laugh at me for not knowing what that says. But yeah. So, there you go. Lady Gaga Oreos. Have you tried them? Do you like them? What are you having with your tea today? See you all later. Bye. Oh, I just noticed something. They have different prints on them. What is this one? Oh, wait, here. That one has, I'm guessing, Lady Gaga. What else? There was the heart. What does this say? Chromatica. It does say Chromatica. Another heart. Another Lady Gaga. Is Chromatica her makeup line? I'm sorry. Oh, maybe it's her new album? Is that her new album? I think that's it. 3 different prints. Anyways, that's it. Bye. Also, I just needed to point out my Britney Spears t-shirt from the Oops, I Did It Again tour because, free Britney, bitches.